Hi, welcome to my Cute Tunes with Chalk. Today we're going to draw Princess Sofia. We're going to use our pencil and we're going to use our marker. So we're going to use our pencil and draw a basic shape for Sofia. So what I want to start off first, I want to start with the eyes. So I'm going to draw her eyes, my Cute Tunes style, like this. Two beautiful big round eyes, yeah, and then I'm gonna draw a little line there below. And why I'm using a pencil is because when I make mistakes I can rectify it later. Okay, so we're gonna draw a cute little nose right between the eyes, and of course a beautiful little smile. Yeah, there we go, there's a smile, there we go. And we're going to do the light reflections as well. There we go, there's the light reflections, and of course the eyebrows. So there's one and there's the other one. That's beautiful. Are you following along with me? Good. So we're going to draw a hair now. So I'm going to draw a line like this, and then I'm going to draw a line down and over like that. Good. And then from this side I want to draw a hair like so. And then we're going to draw first her chin. So a little chin there, and we're going to go up and we're going to follow it through like that. And we're going to do the same thing on this side as well. Perfect. Perfect. And now what we're going to do, we're going to actually draw here a little curly hair like there. And we're going to draw her hair down like this. Good. And then a small little neck. That's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. And then right here on top of her head you're going to draw another piece of hair like that, and then on top of that you're going to just draw a line like so, and that's going to be your crown. So we're going to draw a crown up, you're going to draw one up again, you can do it again like so, and then like so. You just draw that. Good. And from there you're going to draw the inside of the crown like this. Perfect. And here you're going to do the same thing, and let's do the other one as well. So you can actually draw the shapes and sizes that you would like most. So I'm just going to draw some basic shapes and sizes, maybe one there, maybe one here in the middle, and one there as well. Good. There's a crown. Right. And now we're going to draw a dress. So you're going to draw the little shoulders like that. That's perfect. And from here we're going to draw the top part of a dress like so. Good, you're with me. And then from here I want you to draw a little bubble and another little bubble there. That's good. Draw it down and bring it back. Down and bring it back like that. Perfect. And we're going to draw a few little curves there as well, and a few little here as well, and her arms will go out there. Good. And then we're actually going to draw her torso. Good, like so. And you're going to draw something down and there. And let's draw her hand. So I'm going to draw a little hand like so, and I'm going to bring a line up like that, and like this, and like that. So from here you can actually connect the lines like that. And there's her arm. Actually this arm must be a little bit straight, and this one must be like this as well. Okay, so but we'll repair it with our marker later. And then from here you're going to draw a line down, and let's draw a little hand there as well, just like this. Good. And then we're going to draw it up, and you're going to draw the little line back, and there's the other arm as well. Okay, so we're going to repair this a bit later. Okay, and then we're going to just draw something like so, and that would be a dress. Good. And then from here we're actually going to draw her dress now. So we're going to draw it quite wide like this. Good. And we're going to go. Good. And then what I want you to do is actually we're going to draw a little round egg-shaped sort of pattern there, and here we're going to do the same thing, but you're going to draw it like this, Good. And another one like that. And then another one like that. Okay. And then we can maybe just do something like this. And that's Princess Sophia's beautiful little dress. Good. And then from here, we're going to actually draw a line like this. And you're going to just follow this around. Maybe like some circles or something like that. And then you're going to just draw a few lines up like this. Good. And there we go. And there's the dress. That's perfect. And then we're going to actually, you're going to draw a light circle like that. And another circle there. Good. And a half circle there. And what you do is, you're going to draw sort of a clover in there. And that's perfect. Some patterns on a dress. Good. Let's do the other ones as well. Perfect. And you do it roughly. So we do this roughly. So if you make mistakes, it's okay, because that's why I'm doing it in the pencil. I want to show you how to repair anything, any mistakes you make. So don't be too hard on yourself. If you make a mistake, we're going to correct it with a marker later, and then we're going to erase the lines as well. Because as you can see, we've made mistakes on our arms as well. Okay, and then from here, I want to finish her hair. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to just draw a line. And from here, we're going to draw a line out. And then maybe something like this. And this would be her hair. And on this side as well, just connect it there. And like this. Good. We can maybe just let it touch there. And we're going to draw some lines down there. And there is Sophia's hair as well. And now what we can do, we can actually, she has an emelet, some sort of emelet right here. And you can just draw something like that. And you can actually bring it up like so. And there we go. And there it is. And now we're going to go take our marker. And now we're going to draw over our lines. And we're going to repair all the mistakes that we've made. Okay, so let's begin. So now what you can do, you can take purple and you can take brown and you can color in Sophia. I'm sure she's going to look absolutely great when you're finished. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.